Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we're going to look at a set of floor mats for your Tesla Model Y. These are from Teslaunch. So this set of floor mats is for the 5-seater version. They also make it for the 7-seater. These are all-weather floor mats made of TPE material. You can see there's some good traction, and it channels a lot of the dirt away for the front floor mats. And then you have the rear, the passenger, the front, and also the trunk well. One thing I also noticed is for the driver's side, for the footrest, a lot of the all-weather floor mats that I've seen, they kind of fall short, and it's not as long for this footrest, so a lot of the dirt tends to go in the back. So this one looks like it's going to cover that footrest on the left side. So I'm going to go ahead and install them, and we'll see how they fit. So now here's the trunk liner installed. You can see, it's a good fit. Again, the material is TPE, flexible, so you can easily remove it, wash it down. Access to the trunk well. There's this crease in the middle here, so it will fold. And then there you can see the trunk well mat. Okay, now here is a rear passenger installed. Very good fit. You can see that there's a good coverage along the borders, and it has a nice tread pattern. So here's a look at the driver's side installed. Again, it's a good fit. There's good protection all around the lip. And then looking at the footrest, there's good coverage. It goes all the way up. And as mentioned earlier, I've had floor mats where it only goes halfway, and then dirt tends to creep its way all the way in the back. And now here's the front passenger. Again, it's a good fit. The borders are nice and raised, and it will provide good protection. Now here's a look at the front mat installed. Good fit, and it looks really good here. Okay, so that's a look at the Teslaunch all-weather floor mats for the Tesla Model Y. I included the link in the description below if you want to check it out.
If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.